Right, binary multiplication already we have done, addition, subtraction already we have done. Now we'll approach binary division. First of all, binary division can be a little bit complicated because you have to shift. Although simple calculation you should know it. Although nowadays AI is there, fully automatic, the calculations are there, and so many things are there. But still, I will say that always remember your fundamental things. Okay? Always remember your fundamental knowledge. Reason is that if system is doing the mistake, how you are going to remove that? So system is under our control. Okay, if the system is there, of course, right? This is system. All right. So system is less than you. Okay, less than you. Please never ever give so much importance to a machine, to a system, because system is controlled by you. As a human, you are controlling it. So it may happen. Reason is that from my own experience, I'm saying that I have gone through many AI applications right from the beginning, and I have changed that how it is changing every time. Same question, right? Same detailed question. It is changing the pattern, right? It is changing the pattern. Fine. It is changing the pattern, solution method, and even the other subject detailing also is moving in which way that I stop trusting so much. Take it as the helper. Okay, consider is as your helper, but please never ever consider it as your master. Again and again, I will tell anybody, if you are using your computer or your smartphone or anything, never ever consider it as your master, because it works the way you handle it. All right. So let's come back to the topic as I was telling you. Okay, that exactly what is the binary division. Okay, so I don't want to uh, keep involving in that, knowing about the system in a different manner. All right, so first of all, if I give you a binary division number, okay, like just wait, let me adjust my pen, and gone somewhere. Let me bring it back. Alright. So, of course, it took some minutes, to adjust my pen actually. So, today I'll take, first of all, a binary number. First of all, this is my 4-bit binary number. And what is the right way to write it? Always put the base. And I will be dividing it by this number. Alright. Now, just learn at least 1 to 20 binary value. It's not a big issue. Sometimes you will learn the pattern, so it will help you to make your calculation fast. Now, this number stands for 15 actually. Okay, and it is a decimal number according to computer. Alright, so I'm putting it this way. So, see, this 10, what it is showing here, that it is the collection of between 0 to 9 digits. Now I'll be dividing by this. So 101 bit, it means I have taken a number 5. Right? So this is the way. Now you see, actually in arithmetic way, if you take, we are going to do simple way. Now in doing in the bit way, alright, means what is our aim? Our aim means I'm going to take the binary value of 15, and then I'm going to divide it by 5, and then let me see, 5 3s are 15, and then remainder should be nothing. Now you can see here is very simple process, but computer only understand binary number, right? And it totally depends on the bit by bit calculation, right? So let's see how we have to do it. All right, so first of all, we'll try with the long method. Okay, we'll try with the long method. Now what is the long method? Means we have to write in the same pattern. Okay, we have to write in the Same pattern. Alright, let's see. Oh, sorry. Okay, it is 101 and we'll make it in the same pattern, that is 1111. Correct. Now what is that? The way you compare in normal maths comparison. Okay. Now here what you see, 1, 2, 3, 3 bit is there. So same thing, 1, 2, 3 will compare it. One by we will compare it. Directly I will not see, oh, 3 bits are here, so I will also take 3 bits and directly I'll start. It's not like that actually. Okay. So one by one, let's do the comparison. It means, do you think that taking that 101 and this one, so what? Is it greater? Means just write it here. This is greater than 101. Compare it. Do you find it? No, it is not. Okay. Then next time again you take another fine. So you take one more and then again you compare 101. Something is like this, situation is like this, one bit is greater than 101. If it is no, then what you have to do? Alright, you just compare again. Do you think 111 is greater than 101? What do you think? Do you think? Yes, it is. Actually, we have to learn the value. Okay, that please remember that how you can learn till 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this now. You just remember their binary value. Okay, I'm not going to do here, but I want you to learn it. Okay, binary conversion already students learn in class 6 and 7, but still if you do not know, I'll make a video of binary number chart. I'll try to attach in this video. Okay, binary value number chart I will attach, or on Google also you can just go. Okay, on Google also you can find out that number conversion chart, or simple ASCII. Why I am suggesting you the ASCII chart? Because ASCII chart will help you to know every. Further you will learn octa number and then hexadecimal number. Alright, these number system you will learn. So what is the best way? You go and get the ASCII chart. It will show you all. Okay, it will show you all, and then you can find it out that in which way I have to learn. Although because learning this chart is not easy, alright, but yes, you take the printout of this chart, keep it with you, and side by side it will help you. Okay, now what we have to do? Now see, since you can see that 101 and it fits into 111. So it goes exactly one time and write 1 in the quotient. Alright. So it's already, quite dirty. So I'm going to clean it again. Alright. So, but please keep remembering what I am saying. Okay. Just keep comparing and all. Okay. So let's come back and I will write down the sum once again. 101 and then it was 111. What happened? We can take it one time. Means 101 bit, it's one time. So what we will write? 101, and then again see here you have to recall your subtraction method. You have to recall your subtraction method, right? So what we have learned? What we have learned? Just remember. Okay, what we have learned? If 1 is 1, okay, if 1 goes from 1, so what will you get? You get 0, and then 1 and minus 0 is means 1 and minus 0 value is always, and here actually it will be nothing. You can cross out or put 0 as you wish, but here we are getting a value, so I cannot ignore this. Here you can ignore, previous one it means nothing, you know, in the division. Alright, and now what you have to do? Follow the same pattern. You got this bit and put it down here. Fine. And now see, can you got the same thing? So what do you think? Can we follow the same thing one more time? Yes. Okay. Right. And then here what is happening? What? Okay. So nothing, nothing, and finally nothing means no remainder is there. Alright. So this was actually I have taken a very simple number Okay, the problem comes when you take very complex number. And now what is this? Here is the answer 1 1. But you know what is the right matter? If you will use the binary calculator, programmer calculator, there you will find that answer is written like this. Reason is that, okay, there is some rule actually. Either you present it in the 4-bit or you present it in the 8-bit. 8-bit means like if nothing is there, we always represent it with the 0. This is a rule in computers. If you want to present something, present in the 4-bit or you present in the 8-bit. So 8-bit means extra 40 you'll have to put and then finally put 240 and then. So actually in computer's memory it will store like this. Okay. So here it's okay. So computer has its own role, in storing all the data. Sometimes that is why computer memory fills so soon, and then you need seconds. Alright. So this is the way that how you have learned this. Okay. So always the comparison is done, step by step. So if you want, I'm going to give you again, in this. Okay. In this, first of all, we have to see that what is the rule for binary division. Okay, now binary division, first of all, remember it, like in binary, first of all, we cannot divide a number by 1. 0 has no value at all, so it will be invalid. Then 0 by 0 division is not there at all. Okay, you cannot do this. Okay, you cannot divide a 0 in these two things. Okay, so you just please remember it that binary division has almost uh, two rules only. Okay, so please remember this and try with different number. I will show you the use of programmer calculator also. Okay, by the time you see the, okay, I'm opening the calculator and I'm trying to show you here. Okay, you can see this calculator I have, and in this what you have seen that once you will open your computer calculator, okay, if you have a computer calculator you can open it, and if you don't have, make sure it is selected programmer. Okay, most of the time it is in the standard form. This is a normal calculator in computers, it is always in the standard form. From there you have to open the navigation and then you have to go to the programmer, find which wherever number you want to work upon. Like for example, normal days we are working binary. Okay, if you want to do some arithmetic related, please select always decimal number. Here decimal, please again I'm telling you, decimal means does not the point value. Okay, here please keep remembering 0 to 9 digit that you can see it is active over here. Once you will do the work with the octal number, you can see only 7 means 0 and till 7. Rest even 8 and 9 is disappeared. When you will work with a hexa, so you can see there all digit number and along with the means further number 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. It will be represented by alphabet. So I will come in further videos where I will discuss about all those things. Okay. So let's try with the binary, like what I have given you. Okay, what I have given you. Let's see that. Okay, fine. Our number was 1, 1, 1, 1. Alright, done. And then I asked for the division, and the division value was 1, 0, 1. Done. So, and then what the is equal to. And then you see when you do normal division, the answer comes 1 1, but this is the right way to put the bit number. Okay, you can see very well how the binary works for us. It's very important. And again, I will recommend, instead of checking here and there, better to use this calculator to cross check your answer. It will help you always. If you will use AI and all other, you will get in confusion state. Reason is that so many experiment is going on. Okay, continuously so many experiment is going on. You don't know that you are trapped in which experiment. Okay, so it is my suggestion. Okay, so I was saying that the rules. Okay, let's come back to the rule. So I was saying that if you do this, okay, if you do this, so here you will get 0. Again here you will get 0 because it is completely invalid. But yeah, you do not know that in which exam they can ask in the MCQ true false, or in whichever form they may ask you. Okay, so this you keep in your mind. All right, and another one is in computer. First of all, this uh, is called as undefined, means this rule is not defined in the binary division. Okay, one more rule is there which is undefined, means if one is there and you write down something like this, then it is also called undefined. If you find it out, then it is undefined. Okay, so two rules are only there, and one is, this is the final one, 1 and divided by, so you will get answer. So here actually you accept this one. Okay, here you accept this one, and finally you accept this one. But these two means where 0 division by 0 and 1 division by 0 is treated as undefined. Please remember this. Alright, so it is very simple that you can consider this. Okay, so of course when people formulate the sum, they should formulate in a proper way. Okay, so these are the long division protocol. Okay, the most critical skill in binary division, masterfully handling binary subtraction, especially borrowing when calculating your remainders. Okay, that also you keep in your remember. Okay, how you carry, how you borrow. All right, by the side number. Okay, so comprehensive example if you want. All right, if you want some example, then another example I can give you, which is, for example, 1010, and let us divide by 1 1. Now here what is the problem? Can you see? Okay, what can you see here? Alright, what is that? Again, I have to compare this. Again, I have to compare, same comparison rule. Okay, what does it mean and what does it mean comparison rule? Means think as the normal value. 11 stands for which number? Okay, and this number stands for which number? Means comparison you will have to do. Means binary value and the decimal value you should know, then it will become easy for you. Again, we will take one time. 11 ones are 11. Actually, I should not say, I said one bit into 1 like this. Okay, by default comes always the maths calculation. Now again subtraction. Now what is this? Now what is this here? This will be cancelled as 0. It's very clear. But now can you subtract 1 from 0? No, you can't. So what? You are going to take here 10, means not 10 again. 1 bit. Actually 10 bit means 2 in decimal value. It is the binary. Okay, and it is the decimal. Decimal means what? Not point value, means number from normal numbers, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Alright, so now you have to consider it like this mentally. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Okay, so note it down. A student, of course, it creates confusion, but yes, with a slow practice, in the beginning you go slow, and then later you will become expert, and keep trying. Actually, remembering so many things, sometimes it becomes a task. Now here what happened? Then you noted down this one. So what happened? It has become 1 0 0 bit. Now again we have to take 1. So what we will write here again? Now what is that? Can we subtract 1 from the 0? No, we'll have to take. So what happened? You first of all, same pattern. Take this one, give it to this, okay, and then take from this and give it to this. This is the borrowing rule. So it has become, okay, it has already the bit you have taken from here. Okay, so what happened? It has become 2. Normal. Actually 10, I have told you 10 means 2 actually. Okay, so 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So please make a note over here. And then finally what happened? Did you find anything? Okay, did you find anything else? Do you think that you will have? And when it was 2, okay, remember when it was 2 means only 1 bit we have given. Okay, only 1 bit we have given. So now what happened? This will become here 0. Okay, means 1 which was there, it has become 0. So remainder is only 1. Find it as So this is the way how we work with the borrow also. Please just keep practicing with the different number, alright, and then different way, different type of questions. So binary borrowing rule is very important. Okay, so if you want some question, I will try to attach. Okay, in the description. Okay, go to the description area and you will find out the some quiz. Although I will try in one of the video wherever the binary and whole is given, I'll try to attach one link in all of them where binary addition, subtraction, multiplication and division is there. I will attach a question paper. Alright, I'll attach a question paper. Maybe it will be related with it can be MCQ also, and it can be some questions for addition or like normal the way I have shown you. Okay, the question may be based on the rules also. Okay, so keep practicing, take care, and bye bye. Remember to subscribe, share with your friends, those who want to learn. Yes, I know I'm not perfect, but still I'm trying to explain you the concept. If you get somewhere better, increase your knowledge, because in education, bounding someone to follow one pattern is a very wrong thing. I will suggest you whichever the platform you find gain best. Alright, always keep exploring. Thousand methods are available, and try to access all. Remember to share the content and try to understand, and yes, practice. If you're not practicing and coming back like this for the next video, I think it will not help you a lot. So first practice, do one question at a time, alright, and then you come back for the next. In one day you cannot master yourself. Human brain is all, of course, it has own limitations. So yes, but yes, again I will tell you, you are better, you are superb than computer, because you are only going to make it.